Today I am going to tell you the AI website from which you can make any presentation within seconds. The website called Tome.app. Here you can create any presentation by just typing the topic. For example, I want the presentation on the topic Martian. I just type it and it just take hardly 1 minute to make a presentation. Now our presentation is ready. This website is very helpful to get information, or if you have limited time, make a presentation. You can also edit the presentation, as you are able to edit the font, add images, and many more things. You can also select the background of the presentation. And one more main point you want that no one can find out this presentation is AI generated. You can use website called Check for AI. Here you just have to paste your presentation text and the website give you the plagiarism report. You can replace or edit those words to reduce the plagiarism rate. Hope you like this video. If you want more amazing AI website, you can follow us and share this video.